Look, two membranous wings transparent in the daylight. They belong to a fruit fly, a Drosophila, which favours ripe fruits for food and as a place for laying its eggs. Here is the head of the monster. The two half balls on the side are its eyes, made of 600 or 700 facets, hexagonal lenses organized like honeycomb in a beehive. The two holes between the eyes are not nostrils, but two antennae. They extend themselves into these kind of sensitive branches which react to movements around. The fly is covered with hairs. They have many different functions, particularly to react to the smallest vibrations of air which happen nearby. Here is the snout and its orifice. Large hairs on the surface enable the fly to taste food. If the meal is suitable, it will lay its two vertical lips on it. The small fragments on the surface of its meal are then literally sucked by these honeycombed structures. They look like embossed paper and act as a sponge. The food is thus sucked up this snout back to the digestive system. At the very end of the snout, many gastric juices are poured by the salivary glands. Here is a salivary gland taken from a larva whose structures are more visible than those of an adult Drosophila. In red, we can see the gland's cells evenly spread all around a green line, which is the canal in which the gastric juice is excreted. As we move closer to the nucleus of a cell, we can clearly distinguish its chromosomes, hereditary carriers. The Drosophila is well known for these huge chromosomes, as they're observable and easily handled. That's what makes this fly a star of genetic studies, one of the first species to have had its genetic card done. Our microscope has now reached its limits. Beyond this, nothing more is visible for the moment.